All right, Joel, let's go for another session. I just deposited 45 bucks on this casino. So they gave me £2 bonus, and then I've won 4 bucks on a play that I never played before, roulette that I never played before. So eight, I decided to top it up with 45 to make it 50, so I can go to up to 6 progressions on this strategy that I'm gonna try today. Okay. I've been tracking a few numbers.
Good luck, the
So
players.
28,
It's a
30,
close, thank
24.
you.
This is a bit loud. 28, 30, 24, 5, 34, 18. So 24, 5, 34, 18.
26 black.
So that would be the second spin. 32, 28.
Our new lucky number is 26 black.
Third
High
spin.
payment from Watson, second dozen, second column.
28.
Account
So
payments,
hit.
20 winnings.
One, we need
Let's
more
again
hit.
open.
26. A miss. So that would be the fourth spin. Okay. We're going to go for the next play. So the minimum withdrawal on
Good
this
luck, it is spin betting
casino
time is
is
closed, thank you.
$5. So let's see if we can make $5 and withdraw the 45 plus $5. So 36 right there.
36
Okay.
red is the new lucky number.
So
Third dozen, third column from the clear section. Account
let
payments,
me
20 winnings.
edit this. So we're gonna play eight
Let's start opening.
streets. So we're gonna play the last eight streets that came out. So essentially everything else but the 10, 1, 7, 9. So
Good luck with
10,
the new spin betting
7,
time is over, thank you.
13, and 1. Okay. So this one stays. 1, 7, 10, 1, 7, 10, and 13. Everything else stays. Okay,
33
33.
black.
It's a hit.
The winning
Okay.
number for the spin is
So
33 black
all the
from the clear
streets stays the
section. Third
same.
dozen, third column. High note. Account
So
payments,
we're gonna
20
leave it
winnings.
as it
Let's
is.
start again open.
So these top four streets we're not gonna play. So 10, 1, 7, 13. So I've seen this strategy on YouTube. This guy called
Good luck
Tekka,
with the spin
Tekka
betting time is
YouTube, I
now
think,
closed, thank you.
something like that. And he was doing the 8 street strategy. So I was like, let me give it a try. So I've run the simulator. As you can see, I've got 67 numbers on the two. And I was doing the back test and comparing with my
17
progression.
black.
And I was like, this is kind of
Our
okay.
new lucky number is 17 black from the upper line sector. Second
So I
dozen,
decided to
second
give it a
column. High
shot,
note. Account payments, 40
17.
winnings. Let's start opening again.
And the winning rate is higher than losing rate. And every time you lose, you will have to double up and win 2 spins on that double
Good
up
luck with the
in order
spin
to
betting
get
time is
your money
closed,
back.
thank you.
Right, so 17, so we're still maintaining the same streets. Number one, that's a
It's
loss.
1 red.
Okay, so
The
now
winner
we
for the spin
move
is 1 red.
number
The upper line
one,
section.
and
First dozen, first column. Low and note.
so
Compliments, 20
19
winnings.
goes to number
Let's
one,
start open again.
and we double up. 19 right there, because number one just got in.
Good luck with the
So
spin
we're
betting
gonna
time is now
save this
closed,
one.
thank you.
One X,
7 red.
7 red, another miss.
The winning number is 7 red from the
So
zone. First dozen, first
we
column.
put the
Low and note.
7,
Compliments,
remove the
40
2,
winnings. New bets are again open.
22, I mean. So that's how it's gonna be. So 22 goes up. So 13, 10, 19, 22. 13, 10, 19,
And good luck with the
22.
new spin betting time is now over, thank you.
So this is 1x, this is 2x, 2x. So let's see,
18 red.
18. Okay, 18, it's a hit.
And the new lucky number is
We
18
need
red. Low and
one
hidden
more
from the
hit
zone. Second dozen and third column.
at
Compliments,
this
40 winnings. New bets are again open.
rate in order to secure our profits. So
Good
this
luck with
is
the
a
new spin. The
4x.
players' betting time is now closed, thank you.
Did we mark 18? Yeah, we did.
36 red.
36. Okay, 36. It's a hit.
The winning number is 36
So now
from the tier section.
we go back
That's
to
column high.
base bets.
Compliments for the winnings. The bets are open to players.
Base bets, which is good question. Anything else but the 22, 19, 10, 13.
The screen, the betting time is now closed. Thank you.
22, 19, 10, 13. Okay, these four streets. Oh, good thing I didn't go. 0.
We'll draw
Okay.
the winner's number on the wheel. 0 for the spin. My compliments to all happy winnings. Betting time is again open.
So our net profit is 745. Oh, I've got 9 streets. My damn. One street is extra, so 29, 22, 19, 10, 13. 22. Oh, 22 is the actual one.
22 black.
Huh, good thing that I left 22.
So we back on
Because
the
we got a
number
hit
is
on
22
22.
black and even from Wazon, second dozen and first
So we are up
compliments for
2
winnings.
bucks.
The bets are again
Okay,
open.
so 22. I need to redo this because I messed up with those streets. So 13, 10.
Betting time is now over. Thank you.
So 13, 10, 19, 13, 10, 19, 4. 13, 10, 19, and 4. Okay, now it's correct. 32, it's a hit.
We have the winning number is 32 red high deep and 30,000 second column.
So everything stays the same.
Compliments for the winnings. And bets are again open.
Yeah, I'm still adjusting.
Apologies. Good luck with new spin. Betting time is now closed.
Because this is still new to me. I think I'm just going to do this. Might not need it. So number 8, it's a hit.
We are into the tier zone with a low
Continue.
number even a black first thousand.
So 55. So we need to make 3 bucks. So we make that 3 bucks and we will make a 5 bucks profit and we out of here.
And good luck with the new spin. Betting time is now over. Thank you. It's also the last spin before dealer change again.
Dealer change bet. 18. Okay, 18, it's a hit.
18 red. The new lucky number is 18 red low and even from
Every time he hits, we make 40 cents bet. 40 cents 40 cents profit. We got a dealer change bet.
Hello everyone, my name is Rihanna. I'm back. I'm so happy to be your new dealer for this round. Wait a second. Let's spin the roll. Wish you all the best of luck. How was your station in dinner? Let's close for a moment.
Okay. Well, 21 is a miss. Okay, so now 28 goes up, and we move it to 21. So that's gonna be like that.
Enjoy winnings, but are open for you. But close with luck.
Oh my damn, we just moved 28. God damn it.
The winning number
So
is 20. Black-hand dealer was on the 0
we go back to 25. 25 gets out of the way. That sucks because we just moved 28 to 22 and 28 came out. Right, so this is the third
Let's go,
progression.
spin.
So we need to get 2 hits on this one in order to reset. Number 6, another street that we don't have, unfortunately.
The winning
Okay,
number is
so
68
now
from our
number
classic
1
pretend
goes up.
round. Even first does and it's time for the snap.
This is the
Enjoy winnings. Button
4th
open.
progression, so it's costing us 12 bucks in total.
Dear players, let's close. Good luck.
So we need 2 hits. 2 hits at this bet.
We
18.
have 18 red.
Okay, that's 1.
Dear players, the winning number is 18. Well, when you was on the zero section, it's
So we're back to 53. So that gave us 960. So if you give us 960 again, we're going to be at
That's close.
4620. No, 5620. Number 10,
10 black.
a miss.
And present the winning number.
So number 35 goes up. So this is
Congratulations
a
to the
double up.
winners, but are open.
Number
Hi,
10 there.
how are you today? Why are you so
So we need 2
angry?
hits
I
at
used to
this
be so
rate.
nice every day. Let's close for a moment. Good luck. Five red.
Number 5, okay. So back to 53.
The winning number is 5
Number
red on the
5.
loader section. First dozen, the second column.
Mm-hmm.
Enter winnings,
So
but
we're
are
back to
open for you placement
53.
the
So that
spins.
was what? 9, 19.2. Let's see if we can get this second hit. And let's see how much profit is going to give us. So 19. Oh, if this hits, we'll take us a session profit. Let's see. Number 4, okay.
We have
59.40.
and the winning number
So we are up
is
480.
even was on the zero section first
That was number 4,
Congratulations,
5, and
players.
4.
Let's open.
Okay. We started with 45, 53. Oh no, we made more than
Dear players, let's
I
close.
deposited 45. I had 8. So that was 53. So okay, cool. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna withdraw my 45 bucks that I just deposited plus the $5. So
20
I
for
will
black.
be leaving 940 behind.
The winning numbers
Or I
went
might
for
just
black
cash out everything.
section high demon second
And that
dozen.
was
The third
24.
column.
Let's see, 24.
Congratulations to our
24 was
winners,
top of the
but are
street
open
right there. That
placement
would be
spins.
another hit. And yeah, I'm happy with their profits. I'm hopping out. Oh, just one more thing. So we made 640 here. And we played 1, 2, 3,
We have
4,
for
5,
black.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Our
1,
next winning
2,
number is
3,
for black
4,
and
5.
even
So
was on the
15
zero section
spins.
first dozen.
We
First
had
black.
1, 2, 3,
Congratulations
4,
to the
5,
winners, but are
6.
open
6
placement
losses.
spins.
So 9 wins, 6 losses. Let me get the calculator.
The winning number 35
That's
from was on the zero section.
66% winning rate. Win rate should be a little bit higher, but
Congratulations to the
you know,
winners
it is what it
today.
is, right? So we got 4 and 35. Let's see, 35. 35 would be a miss. So we would go for the second progression. But yeah, we don't expect to win all the time. So
Let's
yeah, I'm
close with
grateful
black.
for these profits. I'm gonna cash out and hop out. Peace.